Welcome, trolls. Bruce sees all.
Hi and welcome everyone. Bonjour et bienvenue tout le monde. Thanks for being here. We're talking about the surface of the moon. We're going to look at some spectacular close-ups of the moon, some really nice close-up shots. I'm going to show you guys how many stars are beside the moon that we do not see. Now when I say beside the star, of course, it's what's appearing behind the moon. Okay, but wait till you see how I can detect objects coming off the surface, which I think is pretty cool. And whether it's crossing over the surface or actually coming off the surface, I have no proof in this clip or footage, but we'll see more of this similar types of footage that I was able to catch with the infrared camera. But before getting into the infrared camera, let's look at some of these spectacular close-ups. Thanks so much for being here, everyone. This is Copernicus Crater.
Music by Bruce Swartz. Music by Bruce Swartz. Music by Bruce Swartz.
And now we're going to zoom into Kepler crater. Là, on s'en va voir le cratère Kepler. Is that how we say it in French? I'm not even sure myself. So is our universe cooling down? A solar minimum? Is the sun dying? We may never know. But a lot of people are saying it is. If you listen to YouTube, we're going to die every year. We died in 2012, 2013, we died twice, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, and all these religious channels saying the end of the world again, 2019, and then 220. Just, it's never ending, right? But hey, I mean, they're looking for truth. I'm not laughing at them. It's just that pretty discouraging. And what does the channel look like after having declared the end of the world 7 years in a row? Just all these videos. We're dying this year. We're dying this year. We're dying this year. But we just don't die. Life will never die. That's what I believe. And life will always be a part of this universe. Us as humans, we will always be a part of this universe. We will always overcome any challenge we get. Thanks for watching, everyone. A beautiful chance of capturing in infrared asteroids. Vous regardez un astéroïde capturé par une caméra infrarouge. Un de deux que vous allez voir. So this is something that was captured a couple of weeks ago. And in the infrared camera, I don't get any of these objects going by. Obviously, these are big tumblers that I call them. Because in general, they're small spheres. But yeah, you could see them big enough to see that they're tumbling. But this was just an exceptional chance of catching it. So these were two objects that flew by in only a couple of minutes difference. And you can see that the size of it is staggering. It's pretty big. I'm going to show you in the infrared all the stars that are beside the moon that our eyes cannot see and some objects leaving the moon. Check it out.